secure.
One, two, three.
Hello lovelies, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kweenzilla, and if you're seeing this pretty face for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. And if you've been seeing this girl, this pretty girl right here, you're welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today we're not doing makeup, we're not doing hair, we're not having a chit chat. We're going to have a try on haul. Yes, I got some clothes from Shein because I got them. For this haul, I got some bags. This is a cute bag right here. It's just chic, it's cool. So if my phone can fit in it. So my phone can barely fit in this bag, but this is how it looks. Got another bag. So cute. This is how it comes. It's those, like, I wanted this small bag or this small purse for forever, since after I saw Lizzo. I know this bag can't fit anything because it's small. Oh, it also has a handle, but I don't think I'll actually use it with the handle. I just wanted it to be small. Those are all the bags I got from Shein. It's actually a really small haul, so we're gonna move on to the clothes. So this is the first outfit. It's a nice dress. This is how it looks from the back, from the front. You know, it is kind of, let me see through, but I like it because it's animal print. I love animal print. So I got this in a size small. I am a size small or extra small, or I don't go for medium. Come on, come on. Who? Me? What? No, sorry. It's like girl boss shit. This is the next outfit. It's neon green. It's a neon green dress, and I think in the size small. It's all the way up to above my knee, so it's a good dress. But one thing about this dress that is see-through. I don't know if you can see through the dress. It's actually really light material. I'm not surprised. It's Shein, obviously. But apart from that, I actually like this dress. This neon green. Oh, I also got this neon green hat. Let me see if we go. Do you know what I look like? I look like all those old Nollywood actresses because they always have a hat to go with their dress. But this is actually a cute look. This is, let me see. Sorry. Whoo. Okay guys, this is the next outfit. This top, I'm so in love with this top, but I wish the hand was kind of longer. I feel like if I got another size, I think this is in a size small, the top would have been longer, but I love it. This is how the back of the top looks. And these leather pants, guys, these pants are everything. This outfit is really pretty. I would see myself wearing this out, definitely. Let's see. This is how, and again, I can use either bag. I feel like this cute bag, this small bag would go with this outfit perfectly. And some heels on my leg. I don't have heels, but this is this outfit. And one thing I like about these leather pants is that I can stretch with them. Leather pants, normally your legs would be all, you know, but I can stretch and see how you can jump in these shorts. But yeah, it's full outfit. Okay, This is the next top, guys. I think this top is also in small. Okay, apart from the top being really light, like the material being really light and transparent, I think the detailing in front is so cute, guys. And I love the sleeves so much. I love puff sleeves or sleeves that make it look like I have a high shoulder. It's so cute with this pair of pants. I think I made the right choice with these pants. I think it's cute with this bag. Like, let's go. Let's go. So lovelies, this is the last top I got from the Shein haul. It's a leather top. I got it to match these leather pants. So these are the details in front. I love like when tops have detailing in front, even if it's just like a seam or something. And it also comes with a belt and 2 zips in front. And this is how the back looks. It is kind of tight, I'm not gonna lie. I would have gotten this in a smaller, a bigger size, not a smaller size, because putting this on was kind of hard. The top. I feel like I'm Catwoman. And wait. Secured! They are secured in this top. Anyway, I think it goes more with this bag. This bag is cute too. This bag. Alright lovelies, we've come to the end of this haul. I told you guys it was actually going to be a quick and fast haul. Which outfit was your favorite? I think I'm not like, don't let my decision be like your decision, you know. My favorite outfit would have to be the first outfit. No, sorry, not the first outfit. The pink silk top and these leather pants. And these leather pants, guys, let me tell you something. It's giving me a whole. All right lovelies, you already know the drill. You already know what to do. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more Shein hauls, or if you want to see hauls of any other thing I get, please comment below. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel by now, see guys, I've been giving you back to back I've been giving you guys back-to-back videos. So if you've not subscribed to my channel by now, what are you waiting for? Sorry. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down here, right there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.